Hi, and welcome to a demonstration of interactive math notebooks, augmented style. It's truly interactive. I am Katie Ann Wilson, the Diary of the Techie Chick. I did share out the link to the slide. The interactive notebook triggers are not on here, but there are several other triggers that you can play with, plus my contact information. So feel free to check that slide out, and hopefully I can do this. I have my iPad on a stand, so we'll see if we can get this to work. The app that I will be using, and I will put that on the screen so that you can see it, is called Supreme Tutoring Augmented Reality. It is the STAR app. The company that created the STAR app is called AugThat. So if you go to AugThat, AugThat, you can get to the demo page, and it will tell you where to get the app, both for Android and for Apple. And you can download it. There's some demo triggers on there as well. Here's an example of one of the demo triggers, if you can see that. When you get to the app, it does have an ST there, so you can go there. If you launch the app, you're going to get lots of options, and one of the options is to start lesson. So I'm going to kind of walk you through and demonstrate using this app. Okay, so for a interactive notebook, all you need is a spiral notebook. You can decorate it. The kids can personalize it. I have the kids write a table of contents, so this is all in their handwriting. And then I add triggers throughout the notebook with the foldables. You can augment anything. This is a syllabus. This is the front cover of the syllabus. So when you go to the Supreme Tutoring Augmented Reality app, the STAR app, by AugThat, you're going to get this screen. You're going to start lesson. And this one, because it is a teacher-created augmented item, you're going to go to Teach Connect, which is the blue little button that says Teach Connect. Then you're going to scan. Let's see if I can do this. You need to really have two hands. And when you scan the trigger, it's going to take you to the teacher's website with the class information. Okay. There are other parts of the foldables. You can just, create the foldables. This is like a vocabulary and examples of a math vocabulary. And down here at the bottom is another teacher-created trigger. Same app, the STAR app. So let me go ahead and close that. And I'll walk through it one more time. You're going to start lesson. You're going to go to Teach Connect. And this is the trigger I'm scanning. This is something I created. I created the trigger in Google Draw. So I just made a cute little image, and it says rational numbers on it. It has some examples of rational numbers. So when I scan it, come on. I made an interactive Glogster, and it will pop up so the kids can see examples of rational numbers, and then they can scroll through it. So this really does become a really, truly interactive notebook. They can click on objects and it'll make it bigger. Oops. You can load videos, all sorts of things on these Glogsters. So that's an example, and all it is a spiral notebook with foldables and the kids' notes and some augmented triggers that are mine and some that belong to AugThat. They have tons and tons of math and language arts triggers, and they look like little pictures, and they correlate with the topic, and they have it for 1st grade through 8th grade for math. For every part of the Common Core under math. So you can print out these triggers and put them right next to the kids' notes or on their foldables. You can print them on stickers. So, and to get those, it is not a teacher created one. It is a AugThat created one. So you have to go right back out. And these are the animated lessons. So you'll click on animated lesson, and depending on the grade level that you're doing, you'll click on the grade level, and then you'll scan. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this will pop up a video that goes with this concept.
Evaluating arguments. Writing persuasively.
Oh, that's a reading one. Wrong trigger. Got to be very careful and hold it so it doesn't get glare. Let's try this again. Come on, load. Start lesson. My phone wants to act up today. Let's try this one more time. You can create interactive notebooks for anything, for social studies, for reading, science, math. So we're going to start lesson, go to animated lesson, click on the grade level. Hopefully the right one will play.
Evaluating arguments.
That one is not right. Let's try a different one. Okay, this is like comparing orders of integers. So I literally just copy and pasted their trigger onto the foldable. So you can put them into the foldable as well. You don't have to put them on a sticker. Come on. So this will be 6th grade yet again. And I created this math interactive notebook for 7th grade math. And we are having a thunderstorm right now, so my internet may be kind of flaky. So hopefully things will scan. Or my phone's not working. One of the two. But you kind of get the idea. You can put any kind of triggers in them. You can be foldables. It doesn't matter if it's on color paper. You can print it in black and white and they will still work. And all you do is make sure I put a little symbol of the app that I'm using next to the trigger so that kids know which app to go to scan with it. But you could do literally, you know, examples. This was a printout of slides, and then we have the kids write the examples on it, and then up at the top is the trigger. So you can do all sorts of triggers. You can create them, or you can use pictures. I've done both. And then you can put the triggers throughout, like this one's up here at the top of the flip. So, yeah, interactive math. Totally, truly, completely interactive using augmented reality. If you want any more ideas of how to make an interactive notebook, please follow me on Twitter. You can contact me anywhere. My Twitter is KatieAnn_76. Website is my name, KatieAnnWilson.com. And also I have a blog, Diary of a Techie Chick. So feel free to connect, learn, and share. Thank you for watching my first Periscope. Hopefully there'll be a couple more coming.